Welcome to lesson number 2 about multiplication of numbers. In case you did not watch lesson 1, I have put a link below in the description. You can click on it to study about lesson number 1. In this lesson, we will study about multiplying without regrouping. So, let's move on with example number 1. Multiply 4 ones by 2. So now we have got hundreds, tens, and ones. And for this multiplication, we are going to use the place values. Now, since that we do not have hundreds, we don't have hundreds, and we do not have tens, we will go to ones. We have got 4 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now we will multiply 4 ones by 2. So that is 4 ones by 1, and then we get another set of 4 ones. So altogether we have 8 ones. So 4 ones times 2 equals 8 ones. Okay? In part 2, let us multiply 4 ones by 3. So still we do not have hundreds, we do not have tens, but we have got ones. So we have 4 ones. This time we will multiply it 3 times since we are multiplying by 3. So we have 4 ones times 1, now times 2, and times 3. So you can see that we have got 12 ones. Therefore, 4 ones times 3 equals 12 ones. Example 3. Multiply 4 tens by 2. This time we have tens. So we do not have hundreds, we do not have ones, but we have got tens. So we have 4 tens. So that is 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 tens. Now we will multiply it by 2. So that is 4 tens by 1. Now 4 tens by 2. So you see that all together we have got 8 tens. So 4 tens times 2 equals 8 tens. Remember, when we say 4 tens, actually we mean 40. And when we say 8 tens, actually we mean 80. Remember, okay? So in part 3, let us multiply 4 tens by 3. So we have tens, but we do not have ones, and we do not have hundreds. So we have 3 tens. So you can see 1 10, 2 tens, 3 tens. We multiply it by 3. So that is 1, 2, and 3. So we have altogether 9 tens. So 3 tens times 3 equals 9 tens. Actually, this is the same as 30, that is 3 tens, times 3 to get 9 tens. 9 tens is the same as 90. Okay. So in part 4, we are going to multiply 21 by 3 using the place value table. Now, look, we have got 21. In the number 21, we have got 1 and 2, which means that 1 is for ones and 2 is for tens. So we have got 1 ones and 2 tens, such that this is 20 plus 1, 21. Now we will multiply it by 3. So here we have got our place value table, where we have tens and we have ones. And then we have 21 times 3. So we are going to multiply 1 ones by 3. So we get 1, 2, and 3. So that means that 1 1 times 3 equals 3 ones. And we write 3 ones in the space for ones. So we write 3. Now we get 2 tens times 3. 2 tens times 3. So we get 2 tens 3 times. 1, 2, 3. So you see that 2 tens times 3 equals 6 tens. Now we write 6 tens in the space for tens. So you can see that 21 times 3 equals 6 tens and 3 ones. 6 tens and 3 ones. Or we simply say that 21 times 3 equals 63. Okay? Example 5. Find the product of 2 and 34 by using shortcut method. So we simply write 3, 4, and then we multiply it by 2. In that case, let us get our step number 1. We will multiply 4 ones by 2 to get 8 ones. 4 ones by 2 and we get 8 ones. And then we write 8 ones in the ones place. Okay? Then after that, we go to step number 2. We multiply 3 tens. 3 tens by 2. 3 tens by 2 and we get 6 tens. Then we put 6 tens in the space for tens place. Okay? So altogether we get 68. Therefore, 34 times 2 equals 68. Okay? Let us see example number 6. Find the product of 4 and 11 by expanded form method. Okay? So in case you have forgotten how to write numbers in expanded form, you can please click on the link in the description below to watch a video about expanded form. Okay? So in our step number 1, we will write 11 in expanded form. To write 11 in expanded form, we simply get 10 plus 1. Then we multiply it by 4. So we will get 1 times 4 to get 4. Then after that we get 10 times 4 to get 40. So that is 40 plus 4. Therefore, 11 times 4 equals 44, because 40 plus 4 equals 44. So that's how we can multiply using the expanded form method. Now let us see the final example. Find the product of 34 and 2 using the horizontal method. So we will first get 4 ones times 2. 4 ones times 2, we get 8 ones. Then when we finish ones, we move on to tens. So we get 3 tens times 2. 3 tens times 2, we will get 6 tens. And we write 6 in the space for the tens place, such that we get 34 times 2 equals 68. I hope really you have enjoyed this lesson. So, for more examples and practice questions about this lesson, please get this textbook and move on to page 49 to 54. Thanks for watching.